Good morning, grade 12 Euclid. Let me explain to you again the simple interest, the formula needed for you to answer the activity number 1 given in module 3, week 5 and 6. This is the formula for simple interest. A is equal to principal plus simple interest, or A is equal to P plus SI, or A is equal to P plus P times R times T, or A is equal to P times 1 plus R T. Okay, so this is the formula you need to answer the activity 1 for the simple interest. For simple interest, if you want to get the simple interest, use this formula. Simple interest is equal to P times R times T. P stands for principal, R for rate, and letter T is for time. Divided by 100. And then for the principal, you want to get the principal amount for the problem. Okay? Principal is equal to 100 times simple interest over rate times time. For the rate, use this formula. Rate is equal to 100 times simple interest over principal times t. For time, use this formula. 100 times simple interest over principal times r. Now, let's say you want to get the amount of the problem given. Amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. To answer the activity 1, you can also use this simple interest calculator. Activity number 1, simple interest, letter A, fill in the blanks of the table involving a simple interest. Show your solution. For number 1, you have to identify the rate with principal amount of 8,000 times 7 months and simple interest 210. For number 2, you have to identify the time. Okay? With principal amount of 15,000, rate 4.8%, simple interest 300 pesos. For number 3, you have to identify the principal amount with 4.5% rate, 4 months time of payment, and with simple interest, which is 500 pesos. Okay, for number 4, you have to identify the rate with principal amount of 1,000 and then the time, 1 year and 3 months. 1 year and 3 months, you have to convert that into months. Okay, and then 70 pesos interest or simple interest. Okay, for number 5, 4,500 principal amount, rate is 0.25%, and then the time of payment is 5 years and a half, or 5.5 years. So in this number 5, you have to identify the simple interest. So this is number 1 in activity 1. So the given are principal 8,000 times 7 months, simple interest 210. Then we need to identify the rate. Okay, so this is the formula needed. Rate is equal to 100 times simple interest over principal times time. So 100 times 210 is 21,000. 8,000 times 7 is 56,000. 21,000 divided by 56,000 is 0.375. So the answer for number 1 is 0.375. That's the rate. Okay. Now to check if our answer is correct, you can use the formula of simple interest. Simple interest is equal to P times R times T over 100. So principal is 8,000 times 0.375 times 7 over 100. So it's 21,000 divided by 100. The simple interest is 210. So it means our answer is correct. So the rest of the given in activity 1, which is number 2 to 5, have to show the solution. So you have to follow this format. That's all. Thank you.